All right, therapist, let's be real. Nobody got into this field because they love writing notes. And yet, here we are, spending way too much time staring at our screens and trying to remember what happened in session while our dinner gets cold. It doesn't have to be this way. Today, I'm going to give you my top hacks for writing therapy notes fast without sacrificing quality, compliance, or your sanity. So let's go. Hack number 1, write in session. Yes, really, I know, but I don't want to be rude. Listen, if doctors can take notes while they're talking to their patients, so can we. So just jot a quick few bullet points, a standout quote from a client, the interventions you used, and the takeaway or insight from the session. Boom, there's your data, your assessment right there. Now all you have to do is flesh it out after the client leaves. Hack 2, use a template, but make it yours. There's no award for writing the most unique, poetic therapy note. Have a structured format ready to go, something like, what happened, what did the client say, what's your clinical take, and what's next. And here's the key. Use the same phrasing every time for common interventions. So, therapist provided psychoeducation on grounding techniques and client engaged in guided practice. Therapist facilitated cognitive restructuring exercise related to anxiety-provoking thoughts. You don't need to reinvent the wheel every note. Stick to the script. Hack 3, the Netflix rule. If you can binge watch 3 episodes of a show after work, but say you don't have time to finish notes, we need to talk. Give yourself a 15-minute limit per note. Set a timer. Make it a game. And if you're staring at your screen for longer than 15 minutes, you are overthinking it, I promise. Hack 4, write it like the client will read it. Want to keep it concise? Imagine your client is reading the note over your shoulder. No jargon, no fluff, just clear, direct documentation on what would make sense to any therapist who picks it up and any client who sees it. Hack 5 is the golden thread. Don't make more work for yourself. Your treatment plan moves to your interventions, moves to your progress notes. It all connects. If you keep your notes focused on treatment goals, you won't waste your time figuring out what to write. If your note doesn't tie back to a goal, ask yourself, was that session really billable? And hack 6, batch your notes. If you see back-to-back clients, block off a 30-minute note power hour at the end of your shift. No distractions, headphones in, notes are done. Then you're free. No lingering documentation, guilt ruining your night. Therapists, your time is precious, so stop letting notes steal it. Try these hacks, let me know what works for you. And if you have a secret method that makes note writing suck less, drop it in the comments. Like, subscribe, and now go finish your notes.